We love coastal areas. Most of the population lives there, but more and more frequently they are damaged by erosion, flooding, and extreme events. Coastal vegetation ecosystems develop all around the globe and they dump flow energy. However, they are not firmly considered in the portfolio of climate change mitigation and coastal protection. This is due to the complexity of flow-vegetation interaction. The main force driving this interaction is the drag force. We experience this force every day. For example, I feel it every morning when I go to work. This force is proportional to the exposed area, and it relates to the square velocity. But there's an unknown in this equation, the drag coefficient. In the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at MIT, we solved this coefficient for different types of vegetation, and we provide with new tools to quantify how these ecosystems protect the coast. This way, we can think about building with nature